My name is Dr. Dave Walsh. I am a senior advisor to Search Institute, and about 15 years ago founded a nonprofit called the National Institute on Media and the Family. And the mission of that organization was to maximize the benefits and minimize the harm that media and technology have on children through research, education, and advocacy. My career has always involved kids. I started off in the classroom as a teacher and went from there into psychology. So my focus has always been kids. And I wrote a book about 20 years ago called Selling Out America's Children, which was about the impact of media on kids. And that really started a snowball rolling down a hill. And I realized that media and technology were becoming a bigger influence on kids' development, on kids' lives. And yet most of the research was academic. And so while the scholars had been studying this, there was very little translation of that scholarly research into information that parents could use. So that was really the impetus for the National Institute on Media and the Family. So for 15 years, we tried to lead the conversation about how media and technology affect kids in both positive and negative ways. Well, of course, Search Institute has been around for more than 50 years, doing wonderful work in terms of youth development and, of course, the development of the asset model. When the Great Recession hit, it was really a strain on a lot of nonprofits. And so we took a look at things and, we thought, do we keep trying to do the work that we're doing as an independent nonprofit, or do we look for a natural partner where the work could not just continue, but the work could really thrive? And so that brought us to Search Institute. So Search Institute, we've collaborated. I've presented at Search Institute annual conventions over the years. So we've always been kind of friends. But we decided to kind of move from friendship to a real partnership. And so that's what happened. So beginning in January 1st, 2010, all of the work that we had been doing at the National Institute on Media and Family then became part of Search Institute's work, which was a natural time for them as well, because Search Institute, for the last couple of years, has really been focusing more and more of their efforts to provide practical information and strategies to help kids thrive, but the target audience being parents. So the whole Parent Further kind of initiative of Search Institute. So, with media and technology becoming a bigger influence, a bigger part of kids' lives, it was really kind of a natural time to bring all of this together. And so that's really how it happened. And I'm really excited about the potential. Search Institute has established relationships worldwide, really, with people, with other organizations, with parents, really trying to figure out how do we create families, communities, a world where kids can really reach their potential, where kids can really thrive. And part of what we have to do to make that happen is to figure out how do we integrate technology into kids' lives in a positive way. I think everyone knows that there are all kinds of benefits of this modern technology. We could all make our own favorite lists of movies, television programs, which didn't just entertain us perhaps, but even inspired us. And then with the new interactive technology, literally bringing people together from around the world in social networking sites and all of these, all of this new technology. And of course, the technology is constantly changing. If we blink, it will change. And it's particularly attractive and popular with young people, and it has all kinds of potential benefits. But there are also some downsides. And so part of what I think we have to do is really make sure that we have evidence-based, research-based information to give parents, teachers, caregivers, youth workers, so they can help guide kids, so that they can take full advantage of all of the benefits of this technology while avoiding some of the pitfalls. There's a great new resource for parents that I hope you will let parents know about, or have, if you are a parent, to take advantage of, and that's parentfurther.com. Search Institute, the leading international organization for youth development that's been around for more than 5 decades, realizes that we can use all of this new technology to keep parents up to date with information, tips, resources, suggestions. And so they've launched parentfurther.com. I'm really excited about it. I think it is going to be jam-packed with very, very helpful and timely information for parents. I'm excited and pleased to be included as a featured blogger during the month of October 2010. And so I hope that you will spread the word about this great new resource for parents, parentfurther.com.